Welcome to Absolute CRM, the ultimate solution for customer relationship management. Today we're excited to share how Absolute CRM can transform your business with our unique features and benefits. Absolute CRM offers an innovative approach to CRM, designed to streamline your operations and enhance your customer relationships. Let's dive into our top 4 unique selling propositions that set Absolute CRM apart from the rest. USP number 1. Pay per hour at ₹10. With Absolute CRM, you pay only for the hours you use. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, our flexible pricing model ensures you get the most value for your money. USP number 2. Pay per usage. Unlike others that charge monthly per user, we bill you solely for the time you actively use the software. Say goodbye to fixed fees and hello to precise, cost-effective billing. USP number 3. Unlimited users. Absolute CRM supports unlimited users at no extra cost. Whether you have a team of 10 or 1,000, everyone can access our CRM platform seamlessly. USP number 4. Prepaid wallet. Simplify your CRM budget management with our prepaid wallet feature. Top up your account and pay for your CRM usage hassle-free. But that's not all. Absolute CRM goes beyond traditional CRM features. Manage your stock effortlessly with our inventory management feature. Streamline your financial operations with accounting integration. Enjoy seamless communication with our built-in VoIP feature. Handle all your social media interactions from one place with social media integration. And gain valuable insights with our comprehensive analytics and advanced reporting. Join the Absolute CRM family today and experience the difference. Maximize your revenue, streamline operations, and achieve greater success with our innovative CRM solutions. Absolute CRM, your partner in success.